Yo, what is up? Good morning. We haven't slept up till now. We are still on the lecture and it's right now is 6:10. Right now 2:16. 2:16. Yes. We're going to sleep at 6 o'clock. Yes. को अभी से नींद आ रही है but can't do anything man. This chair is not good. My back is little. Ow. A lot paining like anything. Fuck. Make noise. They are sleeping. About our trade. Here we go. I did a mistake, guys. I did a mistake. And the mistake is this. I took the sell trade and here we are looking for the selling. So if this are going up, this is going to come down. So I got this. So now I'm just getting out. I'm just going to get out to the break even. Right now we are like negative 100 or 200 or something like that. Yeah, we are almost to the 200. Negative 255. Patience. That's right. Just study. Right off. Hey there. So मैं कोई ना सच में बैठने को नहीं हो रहा है. Even I sat here. I sat on this, but it is paining and we are 3 hours away from our target sleep. I can survive till that time, but I can't sit. It is paining like anything. I think I should sleep now. Maybe wake up early, yeah, to cover this 3 hours. Maybe. So, signing off. I will close this. Good morning. Yeah. Give me a minute. रुमाल नहीं है. Guys, we did a mistake. And ये mistake is going to teach me a lot. This mistake is a learning mistake. Why? Because I'm speaking slow because meeting is going on outside. So yes, this trade is meant to be lost, brother, and I want to get out from this trade to the break even, and I have placed a break even take profit. I will show you, and I will also show you why the reason of this trade is going to be loss than the profit. Wi-Fi is connected. No, it's not. It is not connected. एंड मैंने एक सोल्यूशन भी निकाला है. ये जो चेयर है, चेयर के वजह से मेरे को बैठता ही नहीं आ रहा था. नाउ दूसरी ऑफिस चेयर है. I will. So yes, what happened is, so this candle is going to be closed like this because 4 hours is going to go bullish, right? And anxiety USD is going to get down. Basically, what happened is I did mistake, and this mistake is actually is going to teach me why I was not shorting. This mistake is learning that why I'm not shortlisting the currencies. Yeah, move is confirmed. नाही ना रे, ते बंद झालं. मी ते मायक्रोसॅन 4G ला कनेक्ट केलं. आयरोडेकोचं बंद झालं इंटरनेट. तू मायक्रोस्कॅन 4G ला कनेक्ट कर ना. नाही ग, नाही, सगळं चालू आहे. थांब बघतो. Hold on. Internet issue, as I said. So, what is going to be happen here? That, see this, I haven't saw this. Like, this is NZD USD and this is USD CAD having the same code. This is a code. This is a base or something like that. This, if you're trading this, we should not trade this. If you're trading this, we should not trade this. And we should be selecting the one which is clear. In this case, NZUSD is clear. USD CAD is not clear because USD CAD 4 hours was bearish, right? So now 4 hours is going to get bullish, and then as I can see that it needs a retracement, right? Even though there is no wick has been created here, it needs a retracement to this area somewhere here, right? Now it has already rejected my area of interest. I want reject this. Yeah. We need a retracement to this area of interest to go down, which is going to give the USD CAD. If NZUSD is going to come up, USD CAD is going to come down. Damn. So I just wanted to get out from this trade because this trade is not good. So I'm getting out with a break even. The mistake and this mistake taught me like anything. Plus, so this, we are down like $600-700 just because of that mistake. But this mistake is not going to repeat because we have learned the mistake. See, $700 down, and I'm actually going to get out with this 33, 36 just to cover up every single thing. Signing off, guys. It's going to be like tough thing, but I don't think so we can get out because hitting stop loss maybe is not true. I think so. Yes, we can save this trade. We can. Because NZUSD is going to have the retracement where the USD CAD is going to push down till here, and then we can have the break even. Stay very lost trade. That was evil smile, brother. You see this? I bring this. Yay! पोछना पीछना बाकी है. Really लगेगा क्या इसका पोछना? नहीं. It is all clean. So I was sitting on this. This is like दुखता है ते. This is good. No. Yes. It is good. It is good. Oh yeah. No. Oh my God. लग गया रे. सब मिलीनियर लोग सिगार्स लेते, सिगरेट नहीं, cigars yo. I haven't tried it yet, and maybe I will not. I don't want to be a guy who drink, who do yes and just wanted to be a normal guy. So yeah, we are actually now we are going to get started with the trading study. Why? Because I was नहीं वैसे दिख रहा है, वैसे नहीं है उसको जो इसको ऊपर हो सकता है क्या? होता है ये ऊपर भी होता है. It is awesome brother, it is awesome. Now let's start with the trading lecture. Charging is also done. इसको बस 10% था. Beautiful. Now we can able to do the study for days and days by just sitting here. वो plastic chair is worst. Let's get started with the lecture. Signing off. Yeah, about our trades. हम caps लगाने बड़ा. Trading. Yes, as I anticipated, it is going to have the pullback, and USD CAD is going to go down, but USD CAD ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Will USD CAD was the worst option, brother. ये एक चीज़ है ना. This is the one thing have taught me a lot. Actually, have taught me like every single thing which I wanted to get alone. Beautiful. That is a beautiful doji. Okay, alright, so I will just set and forget. I will just not look into it. I will just focus on the lecture. Let's do this. About our lecture schedule, we are on video 8 and we should be finishing video 15. No, video 14 by yesterday. With that 3 hours, we have actually have lose that 3 hours in this a lot of videos, so I have to cover up lots of things. We have to do everything by today. So yeah, let's go for it. Signing off. Enjoy. I will update what happens, what not happens, every single post. It is very having the rejection to create the 4 hours higher high, and NZD USD is having the pullback which we have anticipated. It is going to have a pullback for this area, and it is very much good to go down, but we need a good amount of pullback to go down, right? So when this NZD is going to have the pullback to this area, it is also going to retest to the previous structure area of 1 hour. That means in USD CAD we are going to go down, and hopefully this is going to come up till break even where I can close this trade. I hate this trade. I mean, this was my mistake, and I totally understand this is my mistake, but yeah, it is what it is. Signing off. If stop loss hits, I am okay with the loss. That loss is going to teach me. That's a learning loss, and that is not going to repeat. So signing off. Let's start the lecture. Here we go. Stop loss. Sit it. It is going to the stop loss. Yes, and it has to, because that was our mistake, brother, and we are ending up with almost $1,000 loss. I'm okay with that. This is our mistake, and we have to improve our mistake. This is what our mistake was. NZD in other hand, it is beautifully going down. Beautifully. I mean, Kasare. This trade came in other session, man. This was beautiful. I mean, क्या बोलूँ मैं यार. This was morning को 7 बजे आया trade. We can't do anything. I mean, yeah, but no. Trade was good. Stop loss hit. Stop loss hit looks like that. Stop loss is going to be hit, because if this is going to push down, this is going to push up. ये मेरे ध्यान में किसी नहीं आया यार. It is worse. Now, fuck me, brother. This is pushing now. Amen, Asaban. Stop loss. One. Amen. Stop loss. बघ मी पण म्हणतो बघ आपण दोघं म्हणून. Stop loss. Stop. म्हण. तू गुड बॉय ना. तू गुड बॉय ना. गुड बॉय तू. मी तुला कॅप्सिकम देईन. तू स्टॉप लॉस म्हणला तर. नाही. स्टॉप लॉस. इकडे असं असं बघ असं कुठे गेला. Damn brother, damn. We were so close. About to hit our stop loss. It is what it is. We can't do anything. Do we hit the stop loss? Looks like we. No, we haven't. Leaking out there. इसके वजह से मेरे को बहुत 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 सीख गया मैं. I love the learning. I love the learning. Signing off. So about our trade, yes, that was a mistake. That was mistaken, and now we are facing the issue. So we are we are in negative 800. Just 200 is remaining to hit our stop loss. And also, one more thing, guys. One more thing. I'm practicing now. मेरे को उससे confidence आ रहा है कि and plus मैं market अच्छे से predict कर रहा हूँ. And prediction के बाद मैं trade भी अच्छे से ले रहा हूँ. It is like steps are getting. That's why वो practice was important. Still we are halfly done. Half is remaining. We'll do it. Once that every single thing is done, we will be super good. Signing off. So I came out to bring the first sign. So now the thing is what I'm going to do. I am thinking to not travel. After lunch she is going to go out. Sister is going to go out, so I have to. No. Darwin will sleep, right? So nothing more. I will focus on study. After he wakes up, then I will certainly take him outside because I have to. I'm kind of nanny, Damn. And the thing is, we are about to hit OSL. I'm good. NZD USD was a beautiful. अगर वहाँ पे मैंने there was no there was no pullback for taking the sell trade in NZD USD. So we haven't took the trade. It is what it is. Practice is still ongoing. Signing off. What's up? So basically, I did lunch right now, and while I was watching, doing lunch, I watched the Lambo only. Mamba FX course. I'm actually on it watching. It is beautiful. It is Curo. What the fuck? So see this. I'm actually doing his course, Mamba FX. I kinda. It is good. The study is so simple. Like anything we can it's just 7 videos we need to watch. I think so. After half.
चार्जिंग लाव.
काय चार्जिंग लाव?
टॅप
नाही लावायचं.
मामा मला मूवी बघायचंय.
नाही लावायचं. लाईटच बंद झाली त्याची.
का?
चालेल लावतो. मग असं म्हण, मामा प्लीज टॅब लावतोस का चार्जिंगला? ओके. होल्ड ऑन. असे लग गया शायद. ओ डिड इट. चार्जिंग लग गया. Charging on. Check. Yeah, the thing is so simple like anything. It is so simple. So after the Alex Gonzalez strategy, I will definitely go for his rather than going for Lambo lecture because it's so lengthy. It is just like 7 lectures. That's it. And this is so simple like anything. He have just shown it like within 5 minutes, and I was like, what? If you've just shown every single thing within 5 minutes, then what is there in other 7 videos? Man, it is awesome. Like we are catching up like very much high pics. But for now. So as I started doing a call, so that's why I'm continuing until this 30-minute over. So after 30 minutes, I will get back to the Alex Gonzalez strategy. Once that's done, then I will focus on this signing off. But it's so simple. And when people are asking like, oh my god, then what time frame use, and what about this, what about that, what about EMA, what about etc. And he was like, oh brother, this is simple. We should not use anything. We just follow this. I'm instantly from trading desk to here. Actually got a call from Mama. He was like, "We have something for you. Just come up to this office." I was like, "Whoa, I'm on it. I'm on it. How much time I have?" They said like you just have almost near about 45 minutes. So I was like, "Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm flying from Pune." So using metro. Yeah, signing off. Ticket is done. We're heading towards Kalyani Nagar. There is the office where my sister's is there in the office. I know that. I should not disclose this. Signing off. I'm inside the metro, Rambari, towards Rambari. This is, we have to go towards Rambari. And yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is good. I mean, he was like, "We have something for you," and I was like, "What? Wait, what?" He was like, "It's related about trading. You do trading, right? So it's totally related about trading." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm coming." So God, just 40 minutes from here to Kalyani Nagar will be reaching by 40 minutes. Yeah, it is what it is. Signing off. I'm very much excited to see and understand what is there. So, thank you. Look at the view, man. Look at the fucking view. It is so beautiful. You know what? The झंडा है ना, वो झंडा वो है क्या इधर का किधर तो भी ना. I probably guess that is the only place where we have track. I looks like that is only the place. So now we have come to the metro station, waiting for the metro. This is the metro station. Oh my God, brother, look at the view. Just look at the view, yaar. It is so beautiful. We are about to lose that trade, and आज ही वो उनको बोला था. They will ask me, are you in the trade? What is the bird? And I was like, I will be like, yeah, I just lose the trade today. And why I lose? Just because of I haven't noticed the market correlation, but now I notice losing is not a part of a game. No, losing is a part of a game, but for me, losing is a part of a learning. So, turning off the metro arrives. Looks good. So we are in metro. As we can see, NZT USD is pushing down. Hold on. Internet, yes. NZT USD is pushing down. We were almost so close. I mean, we were so good. We were exactly correct on our move, but we haven't took this trade. We have took opposite trade, which is USD CAD as I said, and which is going sticking to our fucking stop loss. It is what it is. A part of a game. Actually, this is not a good trade, as I have shared the analysis in morning only. It is what it is. Signing off. Out of a game. The views looks so good like anything. Look at that. Doesn't it look like a film?
Ideal colony.
It is not. From here, time zone is not given. Most probably will be reaching like half an hour or something like that. But yeah, it is what it is. I just checked the trade. We have officially lost. Finally, 1% down. Also, the other trade which is high probable, which is NZT USD for selling. We haven't got our enter signal, so we haven't took the trade. Right now, we are still on the metro station. We are gonna very much go long. Might be 20 minutes more, but it feels good. You know, I'm standing here. Beautiful view. I mean, kind of beautiful. But it is what it is. A new structured pool is getting created. My God, this is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, looks like it is created, but coloring is green. It is what it is. We have our stop loss hit in USD CAD, and that is now confirmed. Now candle is closure above, so that means 4 hours is bullish, which is now guaranteeing that NZT USD is going to go down for sure. We missed the trade for today, I mean this week, so there is no going to be no trade. Still and relax. And today is Tuesday, so what we are going to do for next 4-5 days, we'll see. Signing off then. You wanna see? Brother, look at this. Hey, look at the traffic. Benefit of traveling with metro. Do not use your own car. Metro is there, man. Just buy back your time. Man, just look at the view. So good. ये रात में इतना मस्त दिखता है ना. It looks good. Not even watching in the camera, just watching the view. Look at the buildings over there. I don't know what area is. Probably that could be Wagoli, maybe. Maybe. I saw this. This is broken, brother. Is that a broken or that just a color? I don't think so. It can simply broke. Let's see. Man, view is like kind of helicopter, but mostly like a drone view, isn't it? Super good. Yeah, this view looks good. A lot good. That big building, in some years I will say that is my building. I own that. I reached to Kalaninagar metro station, so I have checked from here to the spot we are going. It is DMart, Kalaninagar का DMart है ना, उसके side का जो office है वहाँ. So it is like 800 meters. Most probably I will, if we walk, we could reach within 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, not more than that. Right there, so we have crossed the road and now heading towards यहाँ से बस क्या रिक्शा ले. मैं सोच रहा रिक्शा ले लूँ, but then I just saw it's just like 400 meters. Oh, I will take a chocolate. Hold on. I always love this area, you know, because it's like developing. It is like kind of foreign, not foreign, but like kind of foreign. I love it. So I have it, the Happy Dent, chocolate mouth freshener. Always whenever we are having a meeting, always eat mouth freshener because it is ready to fresh mouth. Yeah, we need a fucking fresh mouth, brother. We can't play with that. Signing off. Kind of one issue is I can able to see that from past 1 to 2 months I haven't been a professional like yes, sorry, like this. I kind of like it, but more than I not like it. So now I have to shift to my business mode, the professional Uddesh mode, like using like hard voice, weight voice, rather than using this voice. I should be using this voice. So yeah, this is because for this voice people are going to trust. This voice is no, this is like a boy voice. So it is what it is. I'm so close to reach. I can able to see a lot of employees I can able to see are walking outside. Maybe it's a break time. I will see. We are heading towards home, and guess what? The meeting is over. A lot of things I need to discuss, and it was a very. I have met to a very big person. You won't even. I can't even say his income, brother. You won't even believe. And he is having a trading firm, which is huge. Thing which I wanted to do. Hold on, dude. I have learned a very big information. I will share it after I go home. Jesus, a lot of things I have learned, man. It kind of opened my eyes, but I'm also kind of, like, kind of get, kind of, I mean, I can't say, I just can't say. I will directly go home and I will record everything. There, look at this. Very big buildings. If this thing is not going to motivate you, then I don't know what. right? Yeah, metro came. I'm kind of feeling low because of the things I have. It's just like, if you're a good trader, then why are you? You should go to Dubai. They said. I was like, I don't have capital, and I also don't want to take my mom that money. And they were like, they kind of like joke on me, like, if you're a good trader, then how come you don't have capital? Then you are not a good trader. And I was like, ah, yeah, that's true. We're having so much bhid here. I was not hoping this. Maybe it's prime time. Right now it's 5:45. Yeah. Just because of we have came out, we have literally पूरा schedule खराब हो गया अपना. Now again, I think so we are one day behind. Now we are going to be one day behind from our schedule. Why? It is what it is. There was meeting schedule, so that's the reason. Yeah, I will explain what will happen in the meeting after I reach home. भाई यहाँ पे बहुत गर्दी है. Seriously not liking this at all, but it is what it is. Hey there, look at the view, yaar. It is so good, isn't it, bro? I have reached to the Vanas station. So from here we are going to walk. Of course, we are not going to take the rickshaw. Nah, because यहाँ पे इतनी ट्रैफिक है ना, रिक्शा is not worth it. पैसे जाते plus time जाएगा. It's better to walk rather than taking a rickshaw or cab or something like that. So, but the views are awesome, brother. Yeah. Look at the views. Oh my God! Look at the views, man. I really love the views. It is beautiful. So now, we're gonna have to wait for this lift. I'm going to do the what is Mamba effect. It is so simple. It is super simple of Mamba effect strategy. I like it. I'm going to do it within 7 hours. We are going to finish it. After finishing it, then we are going to start working on our Sunday swings. That will be good. Signing off. Like that right now. This clock is, but it's 6:19. We kind of have to walk. Like, walking is better. I love walking. I will walk 1.6 kilometer, which will take like 15 minutes maximum. Same if we take the rickshaw, it will take the same time. So we'll walk. Yeah, and yeah, it is it. Half an hour. 20 minutes. Almost half an hour for going home. Half an hour for getting ready, and then we are going to start the lectures. It is what it is. Signing off. We have started walking 1.6 kilometers. We have to walk. I hope I could do the lectures while walking, but I can't. I just can't. How I can? With no headphones, I can't walk and see the screen. Even though I'm shooting, I can't even see the inner camera. मुझे हाईवे पे वॉक कर रहा हूँ, जोक नहीं है. नगर में I can walk because that is not a highway, right? So it is what it is. Signing off here. We gonna have to. देखो संडे स्विंग्स कर सकता हूँ मैं आज, बट नहीं कर दूँगा. We have to do the that Mamba effect strategy. It is simple, man. It's just like do this, that's it. Fucking simple. And within one lecture only, we have shown strategy. And I was like, oh, that's it. Ah, man. I love it. And that is what I'm going to do for sure. Damn. Yes, yeah, while walking we can, I can actually talk what happened. Let's talk, man. Hold, I will cover it. I will finish it. Oh, man. Yeah. My mama has a very, very, very big contact. He he was getting, like he was feeling bad. I mean, जो है वो बता रहा हूँ मैं एकदम जो है वो बता रहा हूँ. He's feeling bad, but because my mom the same thing. What I'm feeling, the exact same thing he's feeling. That's why he's taking actions. So my mom dad is working for a job. That's why I wanted to get as soon as trading thing possible way to leave my mom dad job thing and full focus, full funded life with the trading, and which I am right now. But dum lagte hai bhai. Hold on, I have to cross the road until I will cool down. Anyway. Yes, I crossed the road and now we can able to talk. I got cooled down as well. So I have to shout because of public voice. Basically, we had a discussion. He is, my mama is still feeling bad because my mom dad is doing job. I am not doing job because I don't have any job. The third thing is I am onto something which there is no guaranteed output, which he thinks, which is kind of true as well. Kind of, not really. Hold on. So he's feeling bad. So he has a very, very, very big contact. So hold on. Yeah. He has very big contact about trading. So about trading, brother, he had a contact of a person who has a business in trading, brother. Business in the trading. He's owner of Profit Match, Profit Mart. My God, I will not say the name. I will just give a hint. He is the owner of Profit Mart, PROFIT MART. उनका ऑफिस भी है. उनका ऑफिस भी है यहाँ पर कल्याणी नगर में. सेरेबियम पार्क समथिंग है कुछ तो बट आई विल गो ऑन फुटपाथ. So mama has this contact with him. I mean 20 years से वो friends है. It is huge. And then he was like, you want a connections about trading? Here is it. He is the guy who owned this and he wanted to guide you. I mean, my mama asked me that what is your plan about trading? I have shared it. I wanted to collect $1 million about funding. And I'll just make 1 or 2%. I'm all good. So he didn't understand that. Yeah, hold on. He didn't understand that. So he have made with this connection. Like hold on. अच्छा देखना पड़ता है. He have made me with this connection that is the owner of Profit Mart. Brother, what a guy. He's very brilliant, okay? He's very brilliant. But he has suggested me, if you wanted to do Forex, you shouldn't do in India. You shouldn't do in India. Why? Because it's illegal in India. Yeah. I mean, he has 20 years of experience. He is true. So, shouldn't do in India. You should go for Dubai. He has suggested me because, yeah, good thing. You are doing good thing, but just don't do in India because that's illegal in India. Forex trading is oh my God. Literally, why are you here? Forex trading is illegal in India. So you should not do it in India. Yeah, you please go to Dubai and do it. थक गया मैं. So, and I mean, he told, and I was like, yeah, I can go to Dubai, but then I don't have capital even to go to Dubai, right? Plus, I don't want to take my mom that money. Yeah, I just wanted to be like self-funded, everything self. Also, why I should? So he said like, brother, what's your age? I said 25 or 26. He's like, man, you are so big and you should be settled up till now. Why the heck you are not settled? Should be settled. And yeah, he is also true. He said like, you are so late. You are so, I mean, he have explained me. He have explained, man, your age is getting higher and higher. You haven't settled. There is no income source. Yeah, I agree that you can trade the market, but what? I mean, I totally agree with that. Even though that's what I feel. Man, we are so much grown up and we are not earning money. My main focus is I wanted to give financial freedom to my mom, dad, and plus me. That's why I'm in trading. And he's right that then his partner was also there in that cabin. He says that, brother, yaar, you should do this, but make sure you will not invest anything. I mean, yeah, he doesn't understand. I mean, he doesn't accept the thing. I mean, they both doesn't accept that funded accounts can give 80% profit share to a trader, which is huge. Which is huge. Yeah, it is huge. So, yeah, the discussion happened. He have explained me as I'm his brother or something. Very, very, very hardly explained. He said, if you wanted to do it, go for Dubai or don't do it. Simple. And plus, if you want to do it right. Yeah, that is what he explained. And also, man, बहुत कुछ बोला यार. And one guy, I mean, his partner was saying like, giving an example that a trader is a kind of thing which has a 1,000 rupees problem, but when he comes in the market, he talks about crores. I mean, traders are the one who like to do this. That's why they are trading. Hold on, I got a cross signal over. So traders are the one who had a problem of like 1,000 rupees, but who had a problem of 1,000 rupees, right? And can't able to solve. Also, they come on market and talk about crore thing, which is true, and that is what actually making traders to, like, attract by the market, because in this they are talking in crores, right? Which looks cool. Same thing. I literally a lot of sound. I literally relate myself with the things he said. Right now, am I earning zero? Not zero. It's $73. Yeah, I accept that. But it's kind of zero. Nothing is going to happen with this $73. That is my recharge, or that is my traveling expense. Fuck. Hold on, I have to cross the road. I gotta cross the road. Hold on. Just lit with me. I was like, I don't have, amount to go in Dubai and do learning and etc. And then he given this example that they don't have even 1,000 rupees, and they're talking in front of market. They're talking in crores, which is, I mean, that hurts me. Yeah, and then that realized me. If I'm a good trader, I'm making money. You're doing trading. Why? That fucking hurt me. That means I'm not a good trader. I'm just playing around. That's what it means. That's fucking it means, right? ये टुडुक टुडुक क्यों बज रहा है? That fucking it means, brother. If I'm a good trader, I must earn money from trading. And if I am not a good trader, I am not going to make money, right? And that is the case. And in this scenario, that is the case. सामने कुत्ता है भाई. Am I got reliable on trading? No. I'm not a good trader. That means this simply that means this. So that what makes me realization I should focus more on learning more. So this is what it is. I have reached to the house. थक ले मैं था. Signing off. I will get ready and straight forward to the fucking lectures. Mom by FX I'm coming. Okay, so we have just reached. Man, मेरा हाथ दुख गया यार. Clutch दबा के. What the fuck? I'm just. This is lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, lock check. सब कुछ check. बाहर वीर एकदम proper. चल रे अव्यान. मामा काय झालं मामाला? काय झालं भांजीला? आता बॉल लागल म्हणून नाही म्हणलं ते. तुला काय म्हणायचं आहे का याच्यात? कशी वाटली चक्कर? नाही आवडली? चक्कर नाही आवडली? लाजतोस का तू? हो का? नाही आवडली तुला चक्कर? आय लुक गुड. आवडली का तुला चक्कर? So I'm starting the lecture of again. I will do this again lecture. This one, the first lecture of Mamba FX, and here we go. Here is Mamba FX. I mean, he started this super simple. We connected, but why the voice is not connected? Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah. Signing off. This is just a lecture. I mean, I'm actually watching it 1.5x. Maybe by more tomorrow morning we'll be finishing, and from tomorrow morning we'll can start taking the trades based on his strategy, and we'll side by side we'll do the Sunday swings as well. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Yeah, I have finally started doing this Mamba FX course, and right now it's 20:53. And I am going to record every single thing. I mean, each lecture's notes I'm going to record. Within just 7 videos we are going to be a scalper. Maybe. I mean, I want quick, fast. Yeah, because my psychology is now worst. Because say this, we have called this move, brother. We have called this. I have said in life that I want market to go up, get bearish, and then retrace to this area and then push. Once this retrace, we were not in the session. First thing first. Second thing, yeah, that is only the first thing. We were not in the session to take the trade. I mean, 23:30. It is worst time to take the trade. So we haven't took the trade, and we missed the trade. USD CAD. On the USD CAD, we have hit the stop loss. Of course, it has to be lost because this was a wrong trade, and NZD-USD was the right trade. GBP-NZD, we need Delhi to go bearish, but Delhi haven't got bearish. NZD CAD, we are on sideways, same page. CAD GPY. I haven't took the trade, but I have just placed the risk reward ratio. What if I took this trade? Are we going to be profit, or are we going to be in loss? I'm just wanted to understand this. Just trying to drift. I haven't took the trade. I'm again repeating. I haven't took this trade. Just trying to like learn the things which I have learned. AUD-USD. Let me click on AUD-USD. AUD-USD, we want 4 hours to go bullish, and we haven't gone bullish, so we have avoided a loss here. NZD-USD, oh man, यहाँ पे trade था. Oh my god, I miss this trade. I miss this trade again. No, 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 no. We were not in the session. We can't take the trade, and nah. There is no entry signal, so no trade. No entry signal, no trade. So it is what it is. It is what it is. यहाँ पर भी no, we were not in the session. We have missed this trade, but the move was confirmed that we are going to get bearish. I haven't took this trade. This is just a risk reward ratio I have put. If I took this trade, I will be hitting the take profit. That is 1:2 risk reward ratio. This is actually used. It is giving 1:6 risk reward ratio. This was a loss, and this is just tickling, and ZT CAD is also tickling. So if I took all the trades the way it is, without entry signal, without anything, full risk trade, we will end up in profit. But we haven't. We have just focused on one trade on 1 week, and we hit a loss, which kind of sucks at all. So right now I'm doing this Mamba FX lecture. Let's do it.